And today we're going to learn how to report an issue in Azure DevOps during test execution. So let's log into DevOps. Click on your project name, then click on test plan and click on the left arrow button and view all the test plans. For this demo, I'm going to be using my website test plan, and under the my website test plan, I have a test suite called my website QA. And in that test suite, I have 4 test cases, and I'm going to be executing the second test case here. Okay, so in order to execute, you need to check the checkbox next to the test case and then click run for web application. So the test case opened in execution mode, and I'm going to follow its steps. Okay, launch a browser. So I'm going to launch a browser. Is that a pass? Yes. Go to change.com. Change homepage displays. It is a pass. Click ATM and branch link from the top of the page. Let's find the link. The link doesn't display on the top of the page. But if I click on this drop down list, it shows in here. So it is an issue. So I'm gonna make it fail, and I'm gonna say machine link was not found. However, the link exists under the customer service drop down. Okay, list. Now we find an issue, we need to report the issue. To report, you click on create issue button, and here you need to type the issue description or title. So good idea if you scroll down, you can let's see if I can copy the text here. You can say the Azure form. Okay, so we give the title. We need to set the priority. Maybe priority is low here because the link exists but exists in somewhere else. So priority low. And we is good practice. We add a screenshot. So let's click on the attachment link. Okay, but before we do that, let's capture the screenshot. I'm going to use snipping tool. Okay, and then capture the screenshot, save it, close the snipping tool. You can close the browser and click on the attachments link, then click on add attachment, select the file and save and close, and finally click on save and close button. Okay, so we reported the issue, and you want to verify the issue that it is it is in the system or not. So click on the board and boards again, and on the board you can see that the issue exists on this board. And here's the step it failed, and you can see the attachment here. Okay, and your manager or QA lead is going to verify the issue and then assign to the particular person, okay, who may be developer, so they can fix it. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.